Alright, what's good, guys? We here with a video. And we got a mukbang. So we got some Chick-Fil-A. So we both got fries, we both got some large fries. We both got
yeah, we got that Polynesian sauce.
We got that.
Yeah. Alright,
we
so
got sauce.
come on. So we read some of y'all comments.
Yeah.
Y'all swipe under our Instagram. If y'all want to follow us, Troll Michael, TRXLL.
Really, nigga? Really, nigga?
dot MYKAEL. Yeah, what about you?
My shit is FW.NIICK. You'll see it down in the description.
Yeah. Alright, so dang, what did they alright, so one of the questions were where are we from? So I am from Miami, but I live in Osceola.
Yeah, and I'm from Brazil. I was born in Jersey, but I live in Davenport, Florida.
Alright, so what school do you go to?
Oh yeah, I go to Rich Community.
I go to Osceola High. I'm 16.
I'm 15.
Alright, so the reason why we wanna make this YouTube channel, you know, we on that viral wave. You feel me?
We try to go big.
We try to get this bag, yo.
Yeah, but another question was, do we think that we have the potential to go famous? And I mean, I think we do. We just have to be on the ground and dedication, shit like that.
Y'all niggas
Get it in the cut.
yeah.
Yeah, I forgot any questions. Oh yeah, another question was, do we got girls? And no, we don't.
What you mean?
There was a question that said, do we got girls?
Shoot, you feel me?
I mean,
I might not got a girl, but I got some girls, you feel me? I'm just playing. But, nah, I'm single. As a friend. Feel me?
he said, I'm like this.
What about you?
I'm single as fuck. I'd be single.
Oh, shit. So if y'all single though,
It's
if y'all trying to get a cute ass nigga, you feel me? Loyal ass nigga, hit us up. Real shit. Alright. So the next question,
I forgot.
dang, yeah, I forgot.
I forgot.
What's our body count?
Oh shit.
Feel me?
You can go first.
2.
That is not true.
Yeah. Yeah, got 0.
I'm very.
Well, then you don't gotta put me like that.
I'm very. Are you kidding me?
But
I
yeah,
just dropped my damn fry.
y'all, we were at Posner today. If y'all don't know what Posner is, it's in Davenport. We were finna do rate 1 to 10 for y'all, but it wasn't no chicks over there. None at all.
No one there, bro.
None. And then it was this one girl. Yo, she was like, what was she? She was like, "What's up, guys?" and I looked at this.
He looked back. He went.
That was
She was some tall white girl, but it was so funny.
bruh. I was like, whoa.
Yeah, son.
Right.
I'm not acting.
All right. And the next question was, what are we mixed with?
Oh. That's me.
You go first.
You go first. I'm feeling.
My mom is Bahamian. And my dad, he is black and Puerto Rican. So if y'all think I'm lying, just see my dad. So, and my girl.
I'm like, my mom is Brazilian and Portuguese, and my dad is pure Brazilian. So yeah, that's what I'm not really mixed up with.
She don't say that.
Dang.
Dang, I got all this junk on this white.
Yeah,
My
man.
dad gonna be
The
mad.
bleach the fuck out of it.
I need a dry cleaner. Alright, so well, damn. And you know, we're gonna start making these bangers, pranks, challenges,
Oh, yeah.
whole lot of. But first, like we're trying to do this mukbang Q&A type of thing.
Just for y'all to like get to know each other.
Yeah.
But if y'all want specific video ideas, just comment down below. We got you.
And you know, swipe and DM me and send me some more YouTube suggestions. Oh shit! I just burped. Yo, I do not know how to do a mukbang.
This is my first time too.
This one.
That's why I be watching videos. They be doing like a whole crowd and shit.
It'll be like this.
ASMR. You know that video that I played in the car with that one girl? She sent me a video. That shit was
Splash,
so
splash,
weird, but it was
splash.
like, she was clapping them out.
A little bad. The other question was, what sports do we play? I play baseball and finna go into varsity football. You know,
I mean, I don't really play any sports like that, but I play basketball and football for fun. Not take it seriously though. Alright.
I'm real fun. Alright, so we're both in 10th grade, so
Yeah, we both in 10th grade.
I mean, but the thing is with me, I have enough 10th grade credit, so I can skip 10th grade. So I mean, I call myself an 11th grade, so I mean, what's with it? That's really, I think I dropped a fry. I don't know where. I'll find it. Yeah, I am shocked.
Remember when you saw that girl walking by? She was like, I like the way she walked.
Yo,
Dead.
it was just bad behind shit, yo, ballet, bro. Like right here, like, it's like ballet.
She looked young, but she was valid.
And she was like twisting, and I was like,
She knew she was a bad
man. I'm trying to get monetized, so don't demonetize on YouTube.
We'll cut that out.
But how long has this video been? 8 minutes, dang.
That's not that bad.
Yeah, like 10 minutes probably would do.
Yeah.
So basically, he's single, I'm single. He go to Ridge, I go to Osceola.
Yeah.
And I'm 16, he's 15. Basically, we just this video is just to like get to know us.
Yeah.
The channel is gonna be with me, but we're gonna change it to like our channel. So just stay tuned. I'm gonna change it. So if y'all see a change, don't mind it. But we out.
See y'all later.
Peace.